Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 14th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested, the 4-star Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, but this will be number 7096. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Let me check this. If this is correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 3 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s. All right, 4 8s. Okay, and 2 9s. So the 7s and the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? That's my question. No. Well, not true. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. Let me try with the 8 then. I cannot continue. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 8 and this. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Well, will be difficult. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Look, we have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Then 2 2. How about the 9 9 9 9? Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 3 should be there. 7, okay. I need a 9 here. Wait, 8, 9. We have here 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in this column, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left. Should be the 1. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this second column for number 6. Okay, 6, 6. Let me see. 7. 7 here. Need a 7 there. How about the 8? Need an 8 there. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in the first column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8, 8. Need a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Alright, 8. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have the 4 and the 5 then. 4, 5, need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, and look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 3. 1 and a 9, okay. 8, 8, 8. 1, 9, 8. Need a 4, 4, 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have 4 and 5 in this column, so no 4 and 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in the first row, so no 8 and a 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 and 3, we have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for number 1. 1 box left in the first row. This is the third row. This is the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Okay, 4. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8, okay. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 1 and 4? 1 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6. Come on. 6 6. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2, 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 6, 6, okay. 4, 5, 6, 6, 1 and the 4, okay. Interesting. 1 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1, 1. 5, 5, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see how 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. The 1, no. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, I believe the same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. Don't think it's a 4 stars. Don't think it's a 3 stars or 2 stars or 1 star. Let me give this a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. In the flow, you will solve this puzzle in 13 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.